Hello, good morning to you all. In this video, I'll explain Gmail labels in detail. I'll tell you how to create a label in Gmail and how to move an important email to a particular label and how to keep two labels for one email. For example, open your Gmail app on your mobile. So, this is my Gmail app. And now, if you can see here, beside this email, if you observe, there is something like Wi-Fi. See here Wi-Fi, and for this email there is a word called dummy, which is label. See here, click on these three dots at top left corner, and these are the labels what I have created. These are the labels what I have created. So these labels are nothing but folders to best organize your Gmail emails. uh, Gmail gave a better option like folders, means we can say like all the office related folders we can move them to office. So I'll show you one. I'll select one email and click on these three dots and click on move to. For example, right now I don't have office or something like that label created. I'll move to this. Im means important, I just created that, so it moved to Im. I'll check it here. Im. See here, this is what I have just moved this email to that particular label all folder. So at the end of the video I'll show you how to create a label in Gmail, but it may not be possible on the Gmail app. So I'll show you on the desktop version using my laptop, so please continue to watch. And I told you one more thing. For a single email, we can keep two labels. For example, for this particular email there is already Wi-Fi, so I can keep it as, see here, press and hold to select and click on this three dots and click on change labels. And right now the mail is under inbox, the mail is under Wi-Fi, so I'll just remove Wi-Fi and I'll keep it as dummy. So and I'll press on OK here. See here, if you observe, it is coming as dummy and it will be available in inbox also. See here, this is the primary inbox. It will be available in inbox, at the same time it will be under dummy here. See here, this is the email. I'll undo. So for example, I'll select the same email and I'll change this label to, I'll just remove inbox. So immediately if I press on OK, it will be moved from inbox, it won't appear in inbox. For example, for some security reasons you don't want some of the emails to be appear right at the home screen of your Gmail, so such mails you can move them to the preferred label, so that it will be very well organized Gmail account. So I'll show you how to create these labels in Gmail. Continue watching. Yes, as you followed, I'm showing how to create a label on desktop version of Gmail. I just log into my Gmail and here you'll see labels and a plus symbol here. Tap on that and you can give the name as office, whatever your choice. And you can nest under, means the nesting will be the parent. So I don't want this. I want this office as an individual label only, and I'll just create. So I can organize few emails under this label called office. So this is how simple you can create a label on Gmail. See here, office, and I can select a email and click on these three dots. Click on this label. This is desktop version, and I click on office, and that email gets moved to office here. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.